In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable low resolution video on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the Start menu, select the power icon or power button, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. And then once it says please wait, you can release pressure on the Shift key. On the screen, select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select the item on here that says Startup Settings, change Windows Startup Behavior, and then select Restart. On this page, you want to tap the F3 or Function 3 key to enable low resolution video, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.